One important part of digital transformation is really understanding where a business is at the starting point and what the vision is for the future of the business. So, a couple days ago, I spoke to an old friend of mine. We are lamenting a little bit about how many businesses still use outdated technology and maybe not the best technology for the need. And he said he knows of somebody who uses a spreadsheet for core operations. Perhaps not a great idea, but I think it's important to recognize that just the fact that somebody's using a spreadsheet doesn't really indicate what state their business is at. Maybe that company has develops its own software. They make extensive use of data, and they just opted for using a spreadsheet for that particular use. Versus somebody who uses a spreadsheet and maybe is not familiar about other opportunities, maybe doesn't understand the risk because the skill and experience in implementing technology is not present. And so it's very, very important, I think, to recognize that organizations are at different states in their journey. Because as always, there's a lot of distractions, right, that focus us on particular technologies. We want to keep up with the Joneses. We want to get the software that they have. There are technology vendors that are around that want us to buy their products. And there's plenty of generalized recommendations about how to go about digital transformation. And what's really needed is a comprehensive approach that takes into consideration of where the business is at, because that will then allow formulating a strategy that takes into consideration not just the technology, but the overall state of the organization, which includes the personnel skills, the culture of the organization, and also leadership, because those are all enabling factors for a successful digital transformation. And that can then translate it into achievable plans for the organization versus something that's maybe more cookie cutter and more generic, which then disappoints everybody if it doesn't work out. So with the goal of digital transformation being rapidly and effectively responding to technical change, it is really, really important then to have a customized or targeted plan for an organization in order to succeed.